Okay, Radiohead Creep, 3 different ways. G. B7. C. C minor. Way 2. And C minor. Now, if you want to look at a third way and you want that sort of more mandolin-y sort of feel, capo 7, C. E. F. Then to F minor. So that's a capo version. I personally like the sound of it. G, B7, C and C minor, and there's the sneaky B7 and the sneaky C minor, but then the second way is a good bar chord drill. G, B, C, C minor. The 7th fret is probably my least favourite, but it's a different approach if you want to look at playing the capo up and down the neck. Go give that a go, and if you're here on YouTube, hopefully still watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.